Hi, I'm Antonio. I work here in Miami in finance. Every week, my family comes over. Kids, now grandkids. We play around the pool. It's our favorite spot. For years, keeping this pool clean has been a never-ending task. We've got a lot of trees around, and no matter how often you clean, there's always more leaves. We used to hire Jason, our pool guy, but even then, every day I'm out here cleaning out leaves with the pool skimmer. I didn't mind though. The pool is special to me. My kids grew up here, and we've made some beautiful memories. Being part of Aiper's new product experience program has been incredible, and I've completely fallen in love with this product. The pool is always clean, and I don't have to think about it. And now Aiper has taken it to the next level with the X1 Pro Max. It's all in one, cleaning the surface, the bottom, and even the water line. I've been maintaining this pool for 30 years, and I never imagined it being this effortless. The X1 Pro Max has completely freed me up. I now spend more time with my family and not worrying about the pool. This pool has always been the center of our family gatherings. Now, thanks to Aiper, we enjoy it stress-free.